that's just about ready. So I am making, once I find where Senior put my piece of metal, because I left it here and it's been moved. Where's the box section? The smaller piece. It's there, I moved it. But it's still Senior though. We are making a sign for Wild Goose. Hanging sign, so it's going to come up across and then there's going to be a sign below it for outside their new place on Union Terrace Gardens. This is going to get welded on like this, and then we'll have a sign that comes down with our logo on it, and the base plate is sitting right there. So I'm just prepping all the areas that I'm going to weld now, putting a little chamfer on it so I get a good bit of penetration with the weld, and then once we've done that, we're going to hit it with the TIG welder. That little groove there just gives us a good bit of penetration for the weld. It gets a good hold. I'll probably clamp it to hold it. It's perfectly flat now. His name is Johnny Murphy. I taught myself to weld on YouTube. Well, that's not strictly true. My business partner, Bruce, showed me the basics, and then I sat and watched YouTube for the rest or anything I was unsure of. Same as we're teaching everybody at home. Right, that's that bit welded. We're good to go there. There's a hole here, so I need to cut a plate on the plasma, put it in and then weld it, and then we'll buff it nice and flat so the end's closed. That'll do. He is f***ing at singing, is he? This is like community service. Over the weekend, I came in, I dressed this up completely. I then gave it 2 coats of an etch primer, and then once we'd done that, I gave it 2 coats of a 2-part paint, which was black to protect the outside, so we've got a nice glossy finish. All I need to do now, which I've already printed upstairs, is the signage. So the vinyl signage for here and here is just drying. We need to laminate it, then we'll chuck that on. We'll nip to Wild Goose, we need to drill it into the granite pavers, and then we need to resin bolt it down. Although it's not heavy, the wind can be quite strong because it's so high. So the forces on it will be strong. So we'll resin bolt it into the granite, and then that's us.
Just watch it, yeah? You don't need your phone. You bet now. Alan, you're getting smashed. We've been through 6 batteries, drilling 6 holes. And bumped out a drill bit. Job done, Malone's next. Well, he said. Yeah. Lunchtime.